Coffee machines are usually bulky, complicated, and slow. But what if you just need caffeine and you need it now? This is the Keurig Express. It claims to be the ultimate streamlined coffee engine. We dissected this slim machine to see if it is just a cheap plastic toy or a legitimate daily driver. Welcome to Gadget Anatomy. Let's look at the functional anatomy. First, the chassis. It is incredibly narrow, measuring just 6.5 inches wide. It is designed to fit into the wasted space. Next, the extraction engine. Unlike older models, this unit features a strong button. When activated, it doesn't just brew, it slows down the water flow, saturating the grounds longer to force out a richer, darker flavor profile. Finally, the hydraulic system. It draws from a 42-ounce reservoir that allows you to brew 4 cups back-to-back without refilling, utilizing a rapid heater that requires 0 warm-up time between cups. Here is what works. Speed. This machine is built for the impatient. From a cold start to a hot cup, it takes less than 90 seconds. The drip tray is removable, meaning it actually accommodates tall travel mugs up to 7 inches high. And finally, the strong mode. For a budget machine, the ability to chemically alter the brew strength is a premium feature that actually makes a tasteable difference. However, there are compromises. The build quality. It is lightweight plastic. When you open the lever, the whole machine can slide on the counter if you aren't holding it down. Because the spout is high to fit travel mugs, brewing into a short standard cup can sometimes cause minor splashing on your counter. Here is the verdict. If you are looking for an artisanal espresso experience, look elsewhere. But if you are a college student, have a tiny apartment, or simply value your time more than complex brewing rituals, the Keurig K-Express is the most efficient caffeine delivery system on the market for the price. It is small, fast, and gets the job done.